guys, and welcome to my vlog. So nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Oakville, Ontario guys. Kung makikita nyo sa likod, may fasada. So this is owned by my friend Tom. Makikita nyo rito, nandito ang mga high quality windows and doors dito sa Oakville, Ontario. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob guys. Kita nyo ang fasada. Pasok tayo. Pakita mo sa kanila. Ito nga pala ang owner ng pasada dito sa Oakville, Ontario. Hi, Sir Tom. Nice to meet you, finally. So, this is Tom De La Cruz. He's the owner of Pasada in Oakville, Ontario. So, sir, can you tell me the windows and the doors that you are offering to our community?
Yeah, so thank you very much for coming. So yeah, Pasada is Oakville's oldest window stores. Been here for 25 years. So we do sell windows, doors, blinds, shutters, garage doors, patio doors. So we have it.
He has everything here in the store. So guys, tingnan natin yung mga quality ng mga pintuan dito at mga doors.
Oh.
So Sir Tom, ito ano po yung mga available products dito na window and doors and blinds. Can you tell us about the product itself, sir?
Okay, so itong area nito, ito yung mga fiberglass doors. Fiberglass. Anong mga presyo? Minimum $9,000.
So $9,000 for one door, but look at the quality, guys.
Fiberglass. It looks like wood, but actually it's fiberglass.
Okay. And then there's
these are the steel doors.
Okay.
They are the steel doors. And here are the windows, vinyl windows.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have everything here.
Yeah.
Actually, so sa lahat ng mga nagpapa-renovate or nagpapatayo ng mga lahat ng builders dyan, para na dito sa Pasada, dito sa Oakville. Ang dami pa rito guys, tingnan natin yung mga blinds dito.
So after namin mabenta ng window, after we sell the windows and doors, we are now offering window coverings.
Correct.
Right? We have blinds,
Wow.
we have shutters on this area. So we are a dealer of Hunter Douglas, which is based in US. We are a dealer here in the area.
Okay,
Yeah.
dito din.
And these are the shutters, different coverings. So these coverings are made in Canada.
Okay.
That one's made in US.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we have draperies if you want drapes.
Ito po siya, ito mga
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I think we need 2 windows, right? Dun sa ating garage. So, mamili ka na. Pili tayo ng ating gusto. Pili ka na. Ano ba gusto mo dito?
Yeah. Meron din kami patio doors.
Alin ba yung po pwede sa atin? At yung nakita ko dati yung nakalat, yung ino-close.
Hello, pwede natin.
So, sir, itong mga dito, blinds, is this free installation? Kasi pinakita mo, parang ito kanina nakikindot dito.
Remote control.
May remote control to.
Meron control, meron tayong manual.
Manual.
Meron tayong chain.
Ito yung chain.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, different.
So, ito, pag binili ba ng client, is ini-install nyo?
Yeah.
Or ini-install?
Yeah, libre installation na siya with lifetime warranty. So, walang problema.
Walang problema in case na masira.
Yeah.
Pwedeng palitan. Itatawag lang nila.
Tawag lang nila sa amin.
Okay. So, in this case, sir, kasi meron kaming binild na parang Airbnb style na bahay. Pero pang sa amin yun, parang mas bet ko to. Itong isa na to.
Yeah.
So, ito, pag in-order to, kailangan ng client is makuha nila yung measurement ng bintana.
Actually, kami din ang sumusukat.
Kayo din ang sumusukat. Okay. So, pwede pumunta lang si client dito o kaya umawag.
Pipili lang niya, marami tayong iba-ibang
Design.
design,
Okay.
iba-ibang kulay, iba-ibang fabric.
Okay. So, ganun pala.
So, yeah.
So, pupunta lang si client o kaya tumawag muna and then ask for a quotation.
Yeah.
And then you guys will measure. Someone will go to
Susukatin
the...
namin, punta kami sa bahay, susukatan namin, on the spot, bibigyan namin ng quotation. Pag gusto niya, okay, let's proceed. So,
Okay.
pipiliin na namin ng fabric, ng kulay, kung mga shades. Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. Kaya guys, pumunta kayo rito. May one more question ako, Sir Tom. Do you guys offer financing here?
No.
No. So, yon. Hindi, pero pwede ang all types of payment except financing.
Yeah, except financing. What we do is 50% down payment, and then 50% upon completion of the project.
Okay, I see. So that's really good deal. Ang dami ritong option. So mga magpapagawa dyan, builders, architects, engineers, andito na lahat. Punta kayo dito sa Fasada. Dito lang sa Oakville, Ontario. You can Google them and visit their page, Fasada.
Fasada.ca.
Fasada.ca. So yun lang. See you later.
See you.